Welcome back, Green Country Custom Baits. We are going to be doing a crawl pattern again on a deep little end. That video I did a few weeks back on the Lure Net DIY bundle, we're going to be bringing it to you in the Naturalistic Crawl. Come join me, we're going to spray some paint. All right, natural brown crawl. This is an old pattern I haven't done in a long time, but it's a really good pattern. Especially this time of year when the crawls are just kind of coming out, or even late summer. So I'm going to work hard on the belly of the bait right now. I've got my Wicked White in here mixed with just a touch of iridescent yellow. And you can use transparent yellow, but the only thing I left, I'm going to go over the top. So again, just a little bit of white for our base coat. Just a small drop of yellow. And I'm just touching up, getting a good base coat on. It already sanded this lure. Again, these are those deep little ends, man. I'm proud of these things. Really glad that I found them. So the belly of this crawl is just got a slight yellow hue to it. When I call it a natural crawl, this is your brown crawl, which in the part of the country I live in, I mean, they do change colors, and you will see them that's brown and definitely green pumpkin orange. But a whole lot of them, especially those juveniles, and I don't know if it's when they molt or what, but we got a great big variety of crawfish in this part of the country. A lot of them are this brown color. So if you got crawls like we do, in your part of the country, you need to try this pattern out. It ain't that appealing to the anglers. Now I'm just gonna lightly blast it with a pearl white, and that just slightly dulls it, gives a little bit of that shimmer, a couple more drops. So we got to have a little sand, and then we got to have a little light brown. Where's my light brown? Oh my gosh, tell me I'm not at a light brown. Yeah, I'm out of the small bottle, but I got some up here. All right, so we're going to put a few drops of this sand color in. And we're just building our colors up right now. Got a little light. I don't even know if you can see it, but just a little bit of that light sand color. And I'm going to clean out the top and go ahead and put the rest of that in. Next up is our light brown. And we're going to stay way back and we're going to spritz this. I don't want it smooth textured. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. I'm not stippling it. I guess I am, but at a higher pressure and from a great distance. And that's the key to this effect. So now I'll darken that back up a little bit. But that's what we want right there. So I'm going to go with my black magenta on this one. Very natural, and it's got a little bit of a purplish, slight purple hue to it. Yeah. Now I'm breaking out some old school back when I first started painting. These are some Frisket paper stencils I cut. I've always liked this. And for you beginners out there, find something that you like and or something that you see and replicate it on this. And I'm going to show you that they still look good. This one's maybe not as professional as some of the things I do now, but again, really gives it a cool, different looking crawl pattern, right? If you're using these, make sure you wipe them off good. Again, cheap, easy way to get into, oh man, what the heck was that? Let me touch that up. Now I'm going to add a little bit. Alright, we're going to do a couple little underlying, not underlying, let's see, let's find some, where'd it go? Just a little bit of iridescent blue. We don't need a lot. We're going to cover most of that up. A little bit on the shoulders. That iridescent red. And it's hard to throw a crawfish pattern right that ain't got a little bit of red in it or a little bit of blue. It is for me. I just went back over that with a little more of the magenta black. So I want to mute out quite a bit of that blue. We're going to stick our eyes right here. And it's going to make this thing pop, baby. Instead of painting them, we're going to do like we did on the last one. We're going to add some of these 3D black eyes. I mean, crawfish have black eyes, man. So, right there. Right there. That is what I call natural brown craw. One of my old patterns that I've kind of got away from. We're bringing it back out, guys. So it's going to really look good. Get the clear coat on it. Again, got a little bit of that pearlescent belly, a little bit of that iridescent red and blue up there at the nose. Really sets this pattern off. So, guys, let me know what you think. Natural brown craw. Crawl season is upon us. You need to be throwing crawl patterns this spring. Check this one out. Until next week, Green Country Baits, signing out.